Assalamu alaikum friends, I am your host Shoaib and today we talk about Google Chrome latest trick about Android P design. So let's start. First of all, open your Google Chrome and you see this is our simple old design. So first of all go to address bar, type here Chrome, seem like me, type this command, okay, then go. This is the developer option in Google Chrome, and now search design, 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 hit go. So you can see the first two row, Chrome modern design and Chrome modern alternative called layout. These three design you change. First is default, you can change it enable, then second enable, then third enable. So then relaunch now. Press the home button, this would not change. Then press reset menu, close all tabs and again launch. See, all design has been changed to new Android P. Thanks for watching, and for more videos please subscribe my channel. Allah Hafiz, Pakistan Zindabad.